Hi guys, in this video I'll let you know about how to install and use Bakkesmod on Epic Games Launcher in 2025, uh, the full guide. So for that, first of all, you need to know about what Bakkesmod is. Bakkesmod is a powerful modding tool for Rocket League that gives you access to training tools, plugins, and quality of life features. Here's how to install. Let me show you how to install and use it with the Epic Games version in 2025. So first of all, you need to go to Google tab, and after that you have to search for bakkesmod.com. Bakkesmod, and here as you can see the bakkesplugins.com, you just have to click on this, not any other websites, and after clicking it will take you to the official website of the Bakkesmod, bakkesplugins.com. And after that, once you get on the website, you have to click on Bakkesmods and download the Bakkesmod, uh, the first option, and you have to just click on that. And after downloading the Bakkesmod, you have to Bakkesmod will auto detect Steam by default since you are using Epic. So for that, right click the Bakkesmod shortcut on your desktop. Of course, after installing the Bakkesmod, and you have to click on properties. In the target field after the text, you have to add -epic, and so the line should end with bakkesmod.exe -epic, and after that click apply and OK, and after that you can launch your Epic Games, and you can see it's already uh, associated with the Bakkesmod, and you're good to go. And so that's it for today. See you on the next video.